I can safely say I think that this is the prettiest bag that I've owned. Out of all my bags, it's the prettiest one. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be unboxing my very first Christian Louboutin bag. We got this at the Marina Sands boutique. This bag has a history with me. I first saw it when we were in Dubai, I think about 2-3 years ago. I saw it in the boutique and I just fell in love with it. But I knew, like, at that time, I was taking pictures with it and all that, but I knew that, oh come on, it's just a dream bag. I'm not actually going to own it. It was definitely like an investment that I had to think about. The paper bag inside has its red iconic color there, and then this is the envelope that the receipt came in. So fast forward 2-3 years later, we went into the shop at Marina Bay Sands a couple of months ago, and I was like, oh my god, that's the bag. Did you guys get this from the shop in Dubai? Because they only have like one piece for some reason in like each country, and the lady was like, yeah, this is like the only piece left in Singapore. So again, we left because I thought, you know what, yeah, but it's just so, it's expensive, okay? But this is one of those few occasions that design is just so fabulous that all that logic is out of the window. So the front of the box says Christian Louboutin on it, and the inside is of course the red iconic stamp there, and it's got like the Louboutin logo written all around it. This is a true unboxing of this particular piece because the first piece that we got, we had to exchange for it. It's a long story. I did do a vlog about it, so it'll be in my vlog. Okay, so let's open this up for the very first time. I love it when the tissue paper is so crisp and, you know, it's not wrinkled or anything. So ta-da! That's the dust bag right there. Very pretty piece, you guys. Here you go, that's the dust bag. It's like a dark brown color. I'm not a very big fan of this particular color though. I actually prefer the white dust bags that come with their shoes. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, let me show you like a sneak peek first. Ready? Can you see that? Can you see the shine and the glitz? Oh my goodness. I don't think the camera would do it any justice. I don't know, like even on their website, I feel like they can't, it's very difficult to show the shine and the bling of the strass here. It's like a disco ball. Like I could probably hang this up and make it into like an art piece. So this is the Mary Jane bucket bag by Christian Louboutin. It is so, it's just beautiful, guys. I can safely say I think that this is the prettiest bag that I've owned. Out of all my bags, it's the prettiest one. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It looks really great in pictures and, you know, on videos, and under the spotlight it just glistens so much. It's in the bucket bag shape, which is, I feel like this bucket bag trend goes in and out. Like I think it was in, like it was obviously in a very long time ago, and then it came in recently, and then it went out again, and then now it's kind of back in. But this is a bucket bag. I have never owned one. I always thought that they are not very practical, but there's something about this that just spoke to me. It's one of their signature designs. They have many different varieties of it when it comes to the color as well as the material that's on it. They have the ones that's completely suede and it has like cowboy stuff dangling around there. One black one which is gorgeous. It has gold studs on it. You know, the very signature Louboutin spikes are on the bag. Basically, they took the materials or the designs of what was on their best-selling shoes and they've put it on this bag. So this particular one is the strass material. When I was searching for my wedding shoes back in the day and I dreamt about wearing Louboutins on my wedding day, the strass heels were definitely like, you know, if that's like my dream, to actually walk in heels of the strass material. But you know, they don't come in my size, so I will settle for the bag. So it's completely loaded front to back completely. Even the bottom, as you can see here, is loaded with the strass diamond taste. They have the exact same version of this but in pink, and they also have it in different colors with different materials. Like they have it in red, black, and it's designs and materials that they would change with different seasons. So this particular one is actually from a pretty old season. It's from the summer 2019 season, so it's already 2022, but I guess like not a lot of people would pay, you know, that kind of money for a disco ball. The strass is actually red where it says Louboutin, so it says all that. It's very fleshy, but you know, it's very understated on the branding side, because I don't think anyone will be able to like recognize, oh, this is a Louboutin bag. And then at the bottom is completely flat and it's covered with all these strass crystals. At the back they just have a seam here, and it continues in front. So for the strings here, this is like a very nice silver metallic material, and you can see the Louboutin logo on the tip of the metal piece there. So what you do is you just pull it and then you open it, and then let's take the tissue out. They stuffed it here real good. So let's see, you have some care instructions and a product description. Okay, now the red part that you see inside here, so the base part of this bag is actually suede, okay, and then they've actually put this, it's like a metallic suede in front, and then inside is like a red suede. So you can see that inside is actually just full red. Different designs do have like little variations. Like for example, I know that the pink one, which is probably like a later season, it does have like a pocket inside, but this one doesn't. So the bucket bags are all called bucket bags, but they have little differences between them. For example, the black one, which super nice, it actually comes with a very short handle, which is amazing. So it's just fully red inside. It does have a little keychain here with the, again, the Louboutin logo right there. Let me see if my phone actually fits in here. My phone is the Pixel Pro 6 and it's a pretty big phone, so for it to be able to fit in there, that's good. That's the other thing, because the evening bags that I've seen these days, like really small, some of them don't even fit your phone, and I'm like, I think some ladies don't mind that, but like I can't be carrying a bag and not have it fit my phone. So why did I get this bag? The first reason is its beauty. It's just a really, really beautiful bag. I don't know, it's freaking beautiful. It takes my breath away, and it fits my aesthetic. Like it's very edgy, but you can class it up if you want to. You can, you know, wear it with what I'm wearing today, but you could also wear it with like a very formal attire. It's just really pretty and super like rocker chic. And the last reason, which is very important, is the strap. It has a very, very versatile strap. The strap of this bag is completely removable. It just goes from one end to the other end, and it's connected by this beautiful little leather piece here, which also has a detail of the red bottom heels, and the back is red in color. So it's a very beautiful strap. It's quite weighty. There are two official ways to wear it, and I say two because I've come up with a third way, you guys. I've come up with a third way. So this is how it looks like cross-bodied. I'm very tall, and usually cross-bodies don't really like work for me. So I think this is like the highest I could go. I actually didn't think that it would suit me, but I think it's actually okay. What do you guys think? Can I pull this off? I like that, you know, even with a casual outfit like today, I can very easily carry this off as a crossbody. And you can also obviously put it by the side, and because I'm tall enough, it can actually hang nicely by the side. So I guess this is like a second way that you could wear it. So this is a second way that it can be worn. So as you can see, because I threaded the chains, it's now a shorter bag, and it's now more of a handbag look. It's so cute, right? Like it's very I don't know, I think it's very special because I don't see a lot of like evening bags doing this. And even for a bucket bag, like usually they don't have such a versatile strap. So I really like that I'm able to do it this way. So that's how it looks like. Wearing it this way is like, you know, a little bit less obvious, like you're not so flashy because you kind of have it tucked behind your arm, but bam, when you turn around, boom. Let me show you the third way. I basically put the chain from this end into the other opposite little hook here, and I did the same for the other one, and I'm just kind of like putting it as its shortest length for the handle. This little part here, you can also choose to like hold it on your hand, or I can actually just put it like that, and it actually looks a little bit edgy as well, like there's like metal flowing through your bag. So this is the fourth unofficial way of wearing it, which is just holding it by the handle. This is probably the way I am gonna wear it most of the time because, you know, especially for date nights and stuff, I think it's really nice to just have something that you can carry. You know, if I want to, I can just crook it onto my arm and blind the people with its fabulousness. This is how it looks at the back. Even if I were to turn the bag around, it actually looks pretty cool as well. So I'm super happy with this bag. I feel like it's such a versatile bag. I feel like I'm getting like 3 bags in one. And of course, just the uniqueness of it. It's just so freakishly beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of this little guy right here. If you're still watching, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!